Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all guys? I wish you all are in good health by the bless of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to my channel Aryan Art Academy and my name is Aryan Alam Farhan. So today I am going to show you guys how to draw Oggy very easily step by step. So if you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the get all new notification from my channel. And if you like my video, give the thumbs up, and if you don't like my video, you can give the dislike button. And you can also comment in my video how was my video and what do you like in my video and what I need to improve in my video. So let's go and watch the video.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.